Hey, Patty G here. I want to build a down and dirty miter sled for my table saw. So the built-in miter sled that came with my table saw, my Ryobi BT3000, is a little bit time consuming to set up. Parts are kind of worn on it and it doesn't line up, so you always got to check it. And I was in here working on a project the other day and I just wanted something simpler. So I built a down and dirty miter sled that I can use with my table saw when I just need to make a quick, clean, straight cut. Let's check it out. You want to start with a perfectly square base. I'm sawing this freehand to get one good edge. Now marking the other side. And it looks like I forgot to turn on the dust collection. Setting up the other miter is a little bit tedious. And you've always got to double check it with a square. I keep that one near the saw. And it's a little bit tweaky. You know, you gotta work at it some. Now I'm using a piece of 1/2 inch to make the runners to fit in the miter slots. So I've already squared the table saw blade to these miter tracks. And I'm using the miter tracks to square the sled to the blade. To align the runners, I just dropped them into the miter slots and squared the board with the miter slots. And here I'm drilling and screwing the runners to the base. Also pre-drilled and screwed the backboard to the base. I added a third runner, as you can see, and this runner uses the gap between the body of the saw and the original miter sled as a track. And I added a second piece of wood just like this black piece to the back. But when I was all done with this assembly, I took everything apart, glued everything, and screwed it back together. This thing is definitely quicker to use and set up. I grab it from this little stand, put it on the saw, put my work on it, and away I go. Of course, I could have checked blade height. Well, there you go. Down and dirty, quick and simple. Took me about 30 minutes to put together. So it worked out. I got it really accurate. And it was all made from scraps. And it works. Like I say, if it doesn't work, it's all a moot point. I've got another really big surprise for the shop here. And it's still sitting right over there in the box. And I don't give you any hints this time. No. We're going to have to unbox it, get it set up, and see if we can make it do the thing that it was designed to do. So if you enjoyed the videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I haven't been saying that at the end of my videos, but you get the idea. Thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you later. Right here. How's that for quick?